You'll never guess what she built. A fishing boat made out of concrete. She started by welding a full boat frame using steel rods and pipes. Then she went as far as removing the window screens from her home and used the wire mesh from those screens to wrap around the boat's frame. Once the frame was ready, she transported it to the riverside. There, she began covering the mesh with a layer of cement mortar. She pressed it smooth and evenly across the surface. Too thick, and the boat would be too heavy. Too thin, and it could crack or break. After finishing the outer coat, all she had to do was wait for the cement to set. Once hardened, the frame was flipped and gently lowered into the river. And surprisingly, it floated with no problem at all. But the job wasn't done yet. The steel frame had minimal contact with the cement shell, so it still needed extra reinforcement for durability. She applied another layer of mortar to the inside of the boat. This not only made the boat more stable, but also gave it a clean and finished look. After the cement fully cured, she attached 2 wooden paddles. Now the boat was ready to go. She climbed in effortlessly and began casting nets out in the river. By the end of the trip, she had caught a massive fish. So, what do you